On the 2009 Nissan Rogue, the 2.5 liter. This is where the ABS speed sensor is on the passenger side. It's going to be the same for the driver. You come down in here and then it's being held on by that one bolt. And then the cord comes up. There's normally a clip here that holds it, and then it's gonna need to be popped out of there, and then it gets disconnected up under here. So you'll want to remove that, and then sometimes you might have to drill it out to get that so that doesn't get stuck in there. But it should be on the both sides there of the same and the passenger.